Hello, everyone. Just a quick message for you guys tonight. So, the reason all of these channelers and all of these spiritual teachers and gurus spend so much time just instilling your field with self worth and value and self love is because it truly is the key to getting to where you're looking to go spiritually. And when you stand in your power, when you understand your worth and your value and who you truly are, you become magnetic and you attract everything that is meant for you. So the key is to hold on to that frequency for the duration of your time here. Because here you are, here's what's meant for you, and you are standing in your power and it's coming towards you, but then you lose that value and it repels. So it's simple laws of the universe. And your higher self will actually stop you from manifesting if you are in a state that is less than what you deserve to be at, because when you manifest, it won't be from a place of empowerment, from a place of integrity. There are much better things in store for you. So the truth is, what is meant for you will always find its way to you. You have guides and loved ones that are working very hard behind the scenes to get you where you need to go, but you are in charge of what timeline you receive this manifestation in. You're in control of that energy. You are in control of what timeline you attach to. So with that being said, it makes the idea of being mindful and present in every now moment much more impactful and relevant to the work that you're trying to do. So thank you very much. I just wanted to drop in and share that with you guys, and hopefully it propels you forward in the direction you're looking to go. Thank you very much.